Hello everyone, I am Rakesh Pal, and I welcome to everyone in my channel Asirvad English Gyan. So without wasting your time, let's go ahead. So guys, in this video today I am going to explain present indefinite tense. If the sentence is ending with ta hai, ti hai, te hai, then you can say it is present indefinite tense. And whatever you do work in your daily routine, that is also called present indefinite tense. As like we do work in our daily life, daily routine, as like मैं पानी पीता हूँ, I drink water. हम खाना खाते हैं, we eat food. So these sentences are called present indefinite tense. So in this video I am going to explain. The subject is that I have also told in my previous video. He, she, it, name, singular noun are subject. Helping verb we will use does and do. So before going part on do, let's understand does first. We will use here does MV fifth form plus object. Fifth form is that where we are ending s and es. So here in this part we add s and es. A lot of student does mistake in this does. So here I am gonna tell you. Let's move on the example first. वह स्कूल जाता है. So here simple, he goes to school. If the verb it is ending with o and h, here you can see go, o, it is ending with o. So we don't have to think anyone, we can add here es without thinking. In this part does we can add and without oh. So if the verb it is not ending with o and h, so there we can add s. Except y, if the verb is ending with y, so we can use there ies. So वह स्कूल नहीं जाता है, he does not go to school. क्या वह स्कूल जाता है, does he go to school. वह स्कूल क्यों जाता है, why does he go to school. So let's move on second one. वह पानी पीती है, she drinks water. So here you can see the verb it is ending with k. So simply here we can add s. वह पानी नहीं पीती है, negative, she does not drink water. क्या वह पानी पीती है, does she drink water. वह पानी कब पीती है, when does she drink water. And there is a difference between interrogative and double interrogative questions. As you can see, in the interrogative questions we always ask question from helping verb as like does, do, has, have. But in double interrogative we ask question from as like वह पानी पीती है, so she drinks water. वह पानी कब पीती है, when does she drink water. वह पानी कैसे पीती है, how does she drink water. वह पानी क्यों पीती है, why does she drink water. So we can also speak like that in double interrogative questions. So let's move on the third one. यह धुआं छोड़ता है, it leaves smoke. So here you can see it is ending with e. So here simply we can add s. यह धुआं नहीं छोड़ता है, it does not leave smoke. क्या वह यह धुआं छोड़ता है, does it leave smoke. यह धुआं कैसे छोड़ता है, how does it leave smoke. In English if I want to tell you, as much as you can speak that much you can learn. So try to speak a lot. If you are speaking one sentence, so try to speak 4 sentences. So let's move on fourth one. रवि पढ़ाई करता है, रवि studies. Here the verb is ending with y, so simply we can add ies. रवि पढ़ाई नहीं करता है, रवि does not study. क्या रवि पढ़ाई करता है, does रवि study. रवि पढ़ाई कहाँ करता है, where does रवि study. बच्चा रोता है, child cries. So here the verb is also ending with y. So here we can also add ies. बच्चा नहीं रोता है, child does not cry. क्या बच्चा रोता है, does child cry. बच्चा क्यों रोता है, why does child cry. So I am going to tell again, if the verb it is ending with oh, as like the verb here it is ending with o and h, so we can add there es. If the verb it is not ending with oh, then we can add s, except y. In y we can add ies. So I hope you understand part do. So let's move on the part do. So here you can see subject plus helping verb plus main verb, first form plus object. In this we use do. IUV they pronoun, it is subject, helping verb we will use the do, and object whatever comes in last. So guys, let's move. मैं पतंग उड़ाता हूँ. So it is very easy. Here we don't have any confusion of s and es. Here simply we add v1, v first. So मैं पतंग उड़ाता हूँ, I fly kite. मैं पतंग नहीं उड़ाता हूँ, I do not fly kite. क्या मैं पतंग उड़ाता हूँ, do I fly kite. मैं पतंग क्यों उड़ाता हूँ, why do I fly kite. तुम अच्छा खेलते हो, you play well. तुम अच्छा नहीं खेलते हो, you do not play well. क्या तुम अच्छा खेलते हो, do you play well. तुम अच्छा कब खेलते हो, when do you play well. हम लिखते हैं, we write. हम नहीं लिखते हैं, we do not write. क्या हम लिखते हैं, do we write. हम क्यों लिखते हैं, why do we write. हम कैसे लिखते हैं, how do we write. Here we can speak in the a lot of ways. So try to speak as much as you can. वे पबजी खेलते हैं, they play पबजी. वे पबजी नहीं खेलते हैं, they do not play पबजी. क्या वे पबजी खेलते हैं, do they play पबजी. वे पबजी कहाँ खेलते हैं, where do they play पबजी. बच्चे बहुत शोर करते हैं, चिल्ड्रन मेक अ लॉट नॉइज. बच्चे बहुत शोर नहीं करते हैं, चिल्ड्रन डज नॉट मेक अ लॉट नॉइज. क्या बच्चे शोर करते हैं, डू चिल्ड्रन मेक अ लॉट नॉइज. बच्चे क्यों शोर करते हैं, वाई डू चिल्ड्रन मेक अ लॉट नॉइज. सो गाइस, आई होप you understand. If you like this video, so you can subscribe my channel for getting more videos. And if you want to be perfect in present indefinite tense, so please make your daily routine and your father daily routine and your mother daily routine, anyone. So if you make your daily routine, so you will be perfect in part do. And if you make your mother and father part daily routine, so there you will be perfect in does part. You have to make both, and you have to speak in front of mirror as like for 10 minutes, then you will be perfect. Thank you for watching this video.